What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to do a Deka Nose manual. This is actually easier than doing a regular nose manual. It's actually a beginner step to doing a nose manual. So before you learn this, you need to know how to just kind of hold a nose manual on a flat surface, like in a parking lot or something like that. And then to do this trick, you're going to approach the ledge straight on. You're going to give it a little bit of ollie or just lift your front wheels up depending on how tall the ledge is. And you're going to hit the middle of your board against the ledge. You don't want to go all the way up. You can if it's really low. But if you could just hit the middle of your board, it's easier because you hit the middle of the board and then you transfer all your weight to your nose. You want your front foot just kind of at an angle on the front of the nose. Back foot over the back bolts or the tail. So you can just transfer your weight really quick as soon as you hit that deck. If you hit it right at the truck, see how it's a little bit harder to pull it up? You can still do it if it's a small ledge, but it's easier just to hit the middle of the board and go up like that. So it's easier than ollieing into a nose manual, because when you ollie into it, you run a risk of leaning too far forward or too far back and stopping on the nose or falling back down onto your both trucks. So this just takes a little bit of the speed away. It makes it easier to balance. You hit it and then you can lift it right up into a nose manual, just like when you're in the parking lot and you lift it up into a nose manual. A lot of times people try to call this a wall ride to nose manual, but I wouldn't call it a wall ride unless it was something bigger, maybe like this size. Something that's big enough where your wheels could actually hit it first. So after that, it's just basically knowing how to do a nose manual. So yeah, your back foot's somewhere in here, front foot's on the nose, and you just kind of have to practice holding it. It's kind of hard to do stationary. Wow, it's really hard stationary. Some people kind of bend their back foot in a little bit and try to hold it like that. So just practice doing nose manuals and you'll get better and better. So that's how you do a Deka nose manual. Some people might call it a wall ride nose manual. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.